Hi guys, my name is Mohammed and I drive this beautiful Kia Cerato Koup that you see right here. I have the car for just over a year now, and there were minor modifications done to the vehicle. Like for example, I did an exhaust system, an upgraded tailpiece to give it that demonic look from the back. The car has branches, it's been decapped. There is an intake that gets changed all the time. There's just like one thing that I dislike about this vehicle. Well, not about the vehicle. I would say disappointed with Kia as to why they did not put a turbo in the 2-liter. Because I mean that would have been the ultimate weapon. In future, I would really like to install a turbo in a car. Like, I know it's possible, and but it's gonna take a lot of hard work. It's not just a thing that you can decide overnight and the next morning you can just go and drop in a turbo. But it would be something that I would actually consider, and I mean, air suspension on the car would do justice basically.